Hello friends, how are you doing? Today I came up with an idea as I want to, I'm trying to create an password with special characters. Okay, so suppose you have a password name password. Okay, so it is PASSWORD. So I will create it as P at the rate dollar W0RD. Okay, so what about if we create a program? Suppose I created in this in Python. I create a program where you enter input as password and it give you an encrypted form with a special character as an output. So first I'll show you to do two steps. First I will take a hard-coded input which you can see already in this list, and I will use the Python command make trans and translate to translate that to encrypted form of output, and later I will show you how to do that with in command line. Okay, so you can see here is an input. In input we have both uppercase and lowercase AAEEOOIINNSSTT. Okay, so and both the uppercase and lowercase is defined like first two capital N and small a is defined as at the rate, capital E and small e 3 capital O and small o 0 and respectively. Okay, I as 1, N as 9, S as dollar and T as 8. I have a password here which is called time machines. Okay, so now what I will do, I will show you printing. Sorry, just a moment. Print is dot translate here is dot make trans input comma output. Okay, now let us see what exactly the result it gives. Oops, I think just a moment. Okay, so sorry, there should be an indentation. My bad. Just a moment. Okay, see now time machine is came output as 81M3 M at the CH19E dollar. Okay, so how we can now we can get this like this. Now what I will do, we will just take a command line output, command line inputs. Okay, so for command line input we have to import a library called sys. Okay, you can see sys is there. Now for the first argument we have to take, just a moment, sys dot argv 0 sorry, I think I have made some mistake. Just a moment, this will be just as it is. Okay, sorry. Now here sys will be the hard-coded password which I have sent. That will be argv sys.argv 0. Okay, so let us save this and let us go to the command line. I'm not interested now in configuring Python for taking argument, so we just go to the actual command line and we will take the file as main.py. Let us try with password. oops, I think there is a small issue. The first argument is 0 is the file name. Okay, so let us just make it argv1, sys.argv1, and make it O. Okay, excuse me. So we have this at p at the rate $w0rt. Let us try some other, like Inception. This is a very nice movie. Okay, so Dreams Under Dreams, Under Dreams, Inception. INCE is C3P8109. Okay, so you can take any kind of any whatever you like. Okay, so like another movie, Rise of the Machine. Okay, see how we get this encrypted with a special character. And now if we like change the case also, it will not affect, it will be same. We will get all that because we have included both lowercase and uppercase. So I will share this code with you. Okay, so you can just maybe I'll share this code in a link from, you can just download it from Google Drive. Okay, I'll just share one Google Drive link. So hope this is a very a program of fun. Okay, you can try your own. Okay, you can like I have used a direct like s.translate and that s.make trans. So you can just separate it, like take x.makes trans into some other variable and then do s.translate. Okay, so that it doesn't matter. I just make it short. So this is all about very interesting program. I will come up with more this kind of interesting program in Python. Okay, so which will actually help you like tool building. Okay, so I'm trying to create program like small tool building which help in our daily activity. So that's all about this. If you like my video, please share this, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment if you have any question. So that's all for this. Thank you very much.